how to make dad in Infinite Craft. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make dad in Infinite Craft. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to make dad in Infinite Craft, you simply have to follow the instructions that are mentioned in this video. Now on Infinite Craft, first we're going to combine water and wind to make a wave. Wave and earth to create a sand. Sand and water to create a beach. Then water and earth to basically create a plant. Then beach plus plant to create a palm. Sand and palm to create an oasis. Oasis plus plant. So I'll just combine that to create a date. So once you've created the date, just add farm to it, which will finally create a dad. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.